Merry Christmas, everyone. Let's look at what the stock market did today, December 26th. So Tesla is up $4.07, 1.61%, closed at 256.61. Post-market, we are up by 9 cents. Let's look at our chart in order to understand the context in which the stock is moving. Good news for Tesla, we are still above 250.69 right here, which is a support that we have been watching. And we are also right into our very small, our short-term bullish channel. It started at the beginning of November. So we are still right smack above this. So we are seeing buyers willing to buy Tesla higher and higher. There's a little wave of buyers that are buying Tesla when it comes right to this line right here. At the same time, we have had sellers coming in right here. This is the decreasing price that sellers have been willing to sell Tesla. And we are going to have a collision very soon. Very soon. We have sellers right here. We have buyers right here. Who is going to win? Nobody knows, but we are going to be here and watch it happen day by day. In terms of indicators, everything is fantastic. All of our indicators are very bullish. Let's take a look at some news. So there's a NIO stock that rises after unveiling 112,000 flagship EV to rival Porsche and Mercedes. This is a nice looking EV. I find that NIO is making really nice looking vehicles. We are going to check in a few minutes the stock. But yeah, this is looking very nice. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX is down 0.06. That's pretty much even, Steven. This is still a low VIX. This should be helping the stock market. Let's look at the 10-year bonds. Stable, no move yet. US dollar is creeping down. This is helping the stock market also. Let's look at our EV stocks. So RIVN, now look at this. So RIVN is up 38 cents, 1.64%. Look at what happened today. This is picture perfect. This is textbook. Look at this. The high of the day was 24.62. Our resistance is, guess what? At 24.62. So this is just picture perfect. We went and touched 24.62 where we know we have sellers because we saw them in the past. We saw those bastards in the past. This is just a joke. They came in on September 15th. And push the stock down. They also came in October 2nd. They came in again December 19th and 20th. And they came also today. Maybe we are going to tire them a little bit. They sell. Each time we go to that point, they sell. Each time we go to that point, they sell. At some point, maybe we could be running out of sellers. And if we are running out of sellers and still have our buyers, then we are going to be able to push through 24.62. So maybe something is going to happen soon. I don't know, but we seem to be testing this very frequently. Keep your eyes peeled. I do a video every single day to make sure that we don't miss anything. So this is one example of something we are looking at. Okay, Xpeng, we are at the bottom right here at 13.53. So we should be having buyers. So we see a bit of buyers because we are bouncing right here. So this is what we are supposed to see. It is supposed to bounce on this and bounce on that, bounce on this and bounce on that until it stops. So far, it has not stopped a lot, but this is the expected behavior. NIO, haha. Look at NIO. We are up 0.91 cent, 10.81%, closed at 9.33. Very nice move. We had the buy signal. The first one we got is right here. December 15th, we got the buy signal right here. We had stochastic over 60. We had come outside, out of a downward channel. We broke a horizontal resistance at 791. You can debate that the second one was better to break, but at least there was one, a significant one to break on December 15th. And since then, yes, we had a pullback. Last Wednesday, but then we are continuing our way up, and we are into this bullish channel right now. This is the current bullish channel. We are close to the resistance, so we could be having a little bit of a pullback down to the other support. If it is very strong, it could just continue higher also. But this is bullish. This is a bullish move, and if you are in it, I'm glad for you. VinFast is up almost 5%. So this one is also into a bullish channel. We had the first bounce on support on November 20th. We had the second bounce on December 13th. And since then, we have been inching our way up. So this one is a slow move up, but better to have that than to have a move down. Apple could not break 196.67. Too many sellers. So this one is caving in, and we have even lost stochastic over 60. I don't think this one will be a buy for a while. ARM, this is going higher and higher, and I feel like I would be chasing it because I'm not in it, and I feel I would be chasing it. It's just going so high, so fast. So maybe I'm going to put some money in it at some point, because maybe with some options, because it has had a nice run, a 50% run. This is a great run. And we got the buy signal right here. We got the buy signal November 20th. Boom, it was super clear. Stochastic over 60, break of horizontal resistance. And the downward resistance was right here. So this is textbook move. Palantir, this one is really disappointing, to tell you the truth. We had a nice bull run right here, but now we are outside of it. We have no stochastic. So we don't know when this one is going to be good to buy again. NVIDIA, this is making me think of NIO. Good stochastic. We are very close to 503.06. We see the buyers getting stronger and stronger. They are coming in higher and higher. Are they going to be willing to overpower the sellers that are at 503.06? Nobody knows. But if we start breaking 503.06, this is going to be an indication for us that, yes, the buyers are overpowering the sellers. So stay tuned. Let's look at our indices. So Dow Jones is going higher. S&P 500 paused a little bit at 47.42, came down, and now it's coming back up. Yes, there was a little bit of selling towards the end of the day. It still made a higher high and still made a higher low compared to last time. NASDAQ also staying above 16,760. So we see strength in the market. Will it last for 6 months? We don't know. But we see strength, and we can position ourselves and take a ride. Physical gold very close to 1611, at which point we might considering getting into it again. Silver, this is into a bullish channel. We don't have stochastic over 60 yet, so maybe this is just a small bounce before maybe a rebound on the support. Bitcoin going sideways, Ripple going sideways. And gold, we are still above 142.75. We are still above it, so we are maintaining our break. Maybe this is going to hold. So Tesla, this is very close. I'm giving it maybe not much more than a week before we see something different happening. So far, it's just noise. It's just noise until we break some trend lines. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.